Hi, today I will teach you about the if statement. As explained in a previous video, in Excel we use Visual Basic for writing the code. The if statement is an important part of all programming languages. You can use an if statement to run a code if a certain condition holds. If an expression evaluates to true, some statements are carried out. Otherwise, they are not carried out. Useful operators to use in an if statement are equals, bigger than, less than, not equal, and more. Let us demonstrate this with an example. Variable x is equal to 10 and variable y is equal to 15. Let us make an if statement where the condition is that x should be less than y. In Visual Basic, you must use the keyword then after the expression that is evaluated. You must also remember to end the if chain using end if. When we run this code, as expected, a message is printed to the screen. This is because the condition in the if statement evaluates to true. If we change the condition so that x should be bigger than y, this condition will evaluate to false. Now, no message is printed to the screen. We can also evaluate if two expressions are equal. Another common case you will stumble upon is using booleans as the condition. As expected, if the boolean is true, the code is carried out. An else statement follows an if statement and contains code that is called when the if statement evaluates to false. Let us demonstrate with some examples. Finally, there is something called Elseif. This is also evaluated when the if statement is evaluated to false, and it evaluates a condition of its own. Only when the condition in the else if statement evaluates to true, the code is carried out. You can have several else if statements, and you can even have nested if statements. If you want to compare values from cells to other values, you can easily modify your code to do so. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.